Tape www.suividecolausénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Okay, now we are going to revise these grammar points about the use of for, since, and ago. Now they have activity. Complete the following sentences using for, since, or ago. And now don't forget, for is an expression which is used to express the duration of an action or an event. It is the use of for. Now since is used to express a beginning of an action or an event. It is the use of since. Now ago is used to express a complete action. That means an action which is finished. It is used when they have ago. So we have an action which is finished or completed. Now, sentence number 1. I had been in Bamako 3 days when the year started. Sentence 2. We had started working 2 months when the new girl arrived. Number 3. Daddy bought a new TV set 2 weeks, and we complete by for or since or ago. Now number 4. Yesterday they went out half an hour. Sentence number 5. She has been dancing yesterday when the band started playing. Okay, let's continue with sentence number 6. Karim has been back a long time ago. Number 7. A long time man lived with animals. Number 8. She worked 5 hours that morning. Number 9. I have been trying to do it the last 10 minutes. Okay. Now number 10. How is it you last did it? Number 11. He has been dreaming. He saw that wonderful car. Number 12. We haven't talked to each other. We have Christmas. Now let's correct. And now don't forget, for is an expression which is used when they have a duration for an action or an event. It is the use of for. Now since is used when they have a beginning of an action or an event. It is the use of since. Now ago is used to express a finished action or a complete action. That means an action which is finished. Now, number 1. I had been in Bamako for 3 days when the year started. Here, in this sentence, they have a duration. That's why they use for. Thank you. And now here, the duration for this situation is 3 days. 3 days when the year started. Here we have duration. Thank you. Number 2, we had started working for 2 months when the new girl arrived. So here we also have duration in this sentence. The duration is 2 months when the new girl arrived. That's the reason why here we use for expression of the duration. Thank you. Now number 3. Daddy bought a new TV set 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Here they have a complete action. That is the reason why here we use the simple past tense. Simple past. Boat. When they have simple past or preterite, we have to know this is a complete action or a finished action. That's the reason why here we use a go. And now a go is time indication. Is time indication for the simple past ago. For and since are time indication for the present perfect and past perfect. That's why we use for with present perfect or past perfect here had to be past perfect here had started. We use for. Thank you. Yesterday they went out. Yesterday they went out for half an hour. So here they also have duration. Thank you. She has been dancing since yesterday when the band start playing. Now here we use since. Why do we use since here? Why? Because this action started since yesterday. We have a beginning of an action here. They have a beginning of an action. That's the reason why we use since. Thank you. Let's continue. Now number 6. Karim has been back. We have a long time. A long time. Karim has been back for a long time. Karim has been back for a long time. Okay. Sentence number 7. A long time man lived with animal. So in this sentence they have simple past. Write it. Now a long time ago. A long time ago man lived with animals. Okay, number 8. She worked 5 hours that morning. She worked for 5 hours. We have a duration of an action. This action of working here, this action of working is for 5 hours that morning. Thank you. Now number 9. I have been trying to do it now for the last 10 minutes. For the last 10 minutes. They also have duration in the sentence. Okay? Now, number 10. How is it? How is it since you last did it? Beginning of an action. Okay? Number 11. He has been dreaming. He saw that wonderful car. He has been dreaming. The action of dreaming is happened or was happened when since he saw that wonderful car. He has been dreaming since he saw that wonderful car. This action of dreaming started since he saw the wonderful car. Now, so we have expression of a beginning of this act, of this action of dreaming. Thank you very much. Now, number 12. We haven't talked to each other since Christmas. Since Christmas. Now the action of having to talk to each other was since Christmas. So we have beginning of this action of having talked to each other. Thank you very much. Now have a good understanding and see you later. Thank you.